For Saturday snacks, we have masala puri, boiled chickpeas. You can also use boiled green peas, little bit of chopped tomatoes and coriander leaves, onions and masala. I'll tell you in a bit how to make this masala. This is store bought. I had to just fry it and we'll get this puris. For this masala, I ground ginger, garlic, salt, green chilies, coriander leaves, pudina, tamarind and jaggery. Crush the puris. Layer the chickpeas. Pour in the masala. Add the chopped onion and tomatoes and the chopped coriander leaves. Sprinkle spicy mixture. Add some more masala. Masala puri was very tasty, crispy and packed with flavor. Like, share and subscribe for more cooking and crochet videos. Thank you friends. Bye.